Hey, this is Elisa with WTI, and today I really want to welcome you to my pantry. I'm so excited that I was able to organize them thanks to these Clearstorage plastic bins. I've been loving these plastic storage bins from Clearstorage. I love that they are high quality, and the fact that they have handles is a big plus for me since it makes so easy to carry everything around. I want you to pay close attention to the material. They're very sturdy. I'm trying to bend them and they won't bend at all. I love them. I apologize beforehand. This was my pantry before, but now that we have our plastic bin containers, my husband and I are so excited to get this baby organized. I started organizing them and I really liked how these bins are clear because it allows me to see what I have at home or what I'm missing. And the size is just perfect. You're gonna see how it looks now. It looks beautiful. I really feel so accomplished. I'm so happy and feel so put together. This is an amazing item. So you don't need to stress or have a mess when you have found the best, and that is just my point of view.